Have you ever struggled to remember the name and path of an animation sequence for montage, having to go back to the main directory for a Google search? Have you ever struggled with animation stuttering, spending extreme time thinking whether it's caused by the animation assets or your blend settings? Or perhaps you struggle with downloading animation assets from the internet, not meeting your project schedule, or being unable to find satisfactory animation resources. Well, Animation Browser was created to solve those exact problems. It's a powerful editor tool that integrates organization, previewing, and generation all in one. Animation Browser helps you filter all animation sequences in your project, group them by reference skeleton, and sort them in ASCII order. Even if you can't remember the animation name, you can quickly find your resource through grouping and sorting. Of course, you can also search directly within Animation Browser or change the group method to suit your project. When you open Animation Browser, it only loads up registration information without loading the assets. So even if your project has tens of thousands of assets, it takes only a few seconds. The animation is only fully loaded when you click it, and it will display all the key information of it. You can use the Find button to locate your asset in the content browser, use the Edit button to open the asset directly, or use the Montage button to locate all montage and reference this animation at once. Preview feature is inspired by a cool tool on Fab called Animation Previewer. Animation Browser, on the other hand, focuses on addressing another critical topic in game development: blending. When you open the preview window and select multiple animations, Animation Browser will concatenate them in the select order. Any issue with the assets will become immediately apparent. More importantly, Animation Browser provides preview of different blending methods. Thanks to Blend Stack and custom animation nodes, I implement an editor-based state machine, allowing Animation Browser to fully replicate the in-game blending effects. As an animation technical artist, I often need to tackle issues with animation stuttering. The question is, what's the cause? Is it non-standard animation assets such as A's last frame pose not aligning with B's first frame pose? Or is it incorrect blend setting in the state machine? Or perhaps it's caused by the game logic? With Animation Browser, I can efficiently identify the root cause. Furthermore, you can directly bring up an optimal blend configuration for your asset within the preview window, then apply those parameters to your in-game animation system to enhance your project's animation performances. This is my favorite feature. What you see is what you get. Everything you see in the preview window can be generated into an identical animation sequence. Whether it's multiple animation concatenation, standard blending, inertial blending, upper-lower body layering, additive animations, or even custom effects like frame skipping, all can be generated into an animation sequence with a single click. With this feature and a wide range of blend settings, you will never have to worry about lacking animation assets or dealing with non-standard one again. In fact, if you are familiar with development and know how to use control rig, I believe Animation Browser offers a new possibility. You can procedurally modify animation asset in any way you like, and with a "what you see is what you get" workflow, generate visually refined assets exactly as you want them.